Hello, I'm back with a new subject. Now, the first subject that we can choose, and this open subject is gonna be one one tema about my career. As you know, I am a biomedical engineer, so I want to give you explanation of this amazing tema because if I wanted to do a master degree about this subject, it's gonna be amazing. You're gonna see later what we can do about it. Okay, the subject is image and signal processing. Introduction. I will talk about an important subject on my bachelor studies, and this theme is image and signal processing. Why I choose the SAP? Because I want to do a master's degree on this field in Germany, where the best place to develop this area. First, what is a medical imaging? The medical imaging is a photo of your body, an organ or tissue, or any place of your body. Okay, first, I want to explain in what field we can see this. Normally, we can see this medical imaging in X-ray department or imagology. Why? Because they scan our body and they give us an image of our arm or any tissue. Now, I want to explain what is medical imaging. It's a technique and procedure used to create image of the human body or parts and functions thereof. A clinical purpose medical procedures seeking to reveal, diagnose, or examine disease. A medical science including the study of normal anatomy and non-normal anatomy, that is physiology. Also, the imaging of removed organs and tissue can be performed for the medical reasons. Such procedures are not usually referred as a medical imaging, but nonetheless are part of pathology. Okay, I want to tell you the usage of image processing. Normally, this is used in MRI. MRI is a magnetic resonance image. is a is a fairly new technique that it has been used since the beginning of the 80s. The MRI scanner uses magnetic and radio waves to create pictures of tissues, organs, and other structures with the body, which can be viewed on computer. On the right side, we have an image. This is the whole body of any person. You know, you can see perfectly the bones, the lungs, the heart, the brain, the trachea, left arm. You can see the liver, even the kidneys. So this technique is very very important because they give you a image of the body, but with high quality. If we have a problem in there, the medicals can see if we have a problem. Then that means that, unlike some other modes of medical imaging, there is no exposure to X-ray or any other damage form of radiation. The pictures produced by an MRI scan, when compared to another image modalities, are much more delicate and therefore are of higher diagnostic quality when compared to more frequently used X-ray scanner, for example. Okay, what that means? MRI doesn't use X-ray or gamma radiation or another kind of radiation. So this is very healthy for our body. So you can do any kind of MRI scan for any kind of structure. Only a little bit of noise you can feel because it's all the the, the magnetic resonance, the inside of the equipment is very high. So if you're going to hear only like a buffering, but it's normal. It's only what you want to feel. Other technique we can use in GPS is cancer detection. Cancer detection can be used to detect cancer cells. Normally, this technology is for breast cancer. In Mexico, almost the cancer that is having developed is about breast cancer. So it's a good technique to have a good diagnosis, to develop a new equipment. So the, the diagnosis is very fast and a good diagnosis. The person who has cancer can be saved, and maybe they're gonna lose the breast. But cancer detection it has been developing for multiple function sites for that kind of cells. They use almost the same algorithms for breast cancer. In my opinion, this software who can detect cancer, count cancer, and give you a good diagnosis in less time than doing manual is for the good sake of the humanity. Because the diagnosis can be done like in 5 minutes or less. Hmm. This subject, I put this subject in this presentation because I did my thesis presentation about cancer. I did a new software to count cancer cells. If you saw the image on the left, we have like blue cells, yellow cells, and red cells. That and for the computer, they scan this image and they give you a number of cells who has cancer. So if you want to count by yourself, maybe you can get a ground number because it's a little tiny cells and they maybe got confused with other colors, or if someone is concentrating you, they, you will not be able to count again. The next step I want to show you are videos. These videos are about talking about MRI, how it works, the mathematical functions, and they're gonna show you how the brain looks by the MRI. And the second video is a new app that the doctor can have it on the iPad. So after the MRI is half done, they can show it to a patient on through an iPad. I think the developing of software in iPads on the computer is very important for even for the patients and the doctors because they're gonna save a lot of time, like showing the results in the labs, a lot of time. So we're gonna watch some videos now.
up and carry me around, closer to the sun, farther from the ground. If I climb to the highest mountain top, the wind might find me.
For conclusion, this area of motivation is very interesting because we can generate different applications for the body and it is very useful for medical area like diagnosis. So I really like because I think I can improve the medical area a lot using this powerful tool that is the image and signal processing. A lot of lives can be saved using this technique. Almost. You can see the body, you can count cells, you can do a lot of stuff with this big tool. So I I really like this area. Mm, I am so proud to be a biomedical engineer, and I really like to give this speech to you. So you can have another idea about biomedical engineering. Not only that is the person who do the maintenance, the equipment, the person who take about the equipment. We we can develop software. We can develop new equipment to improve the medical clinic, the clinical area. So thank you for hearing me.